Greetings, beloved relatives. It has been a hard road for the people of the archipelago called Jamaica since 1494, when the criminal Christopher Columbus set his foot upon our shores. From the day the colonizers arrived, we have been fighting for our rights to be recognized by them. Nonetheless, the colonizers managed to use skillful manipulation to make the people of Jamaica hate each other and seek to keep each other from free exercise of creator-given rights. Intense hatred and pain is felt by many Jamaican relatives concerning the Maroons. For things the colonizers taught the people, we did. And where many of our Jamaican relatives have shown support in this uncertain time, many have lashed out on us, and some, much to our great sadness, has called for our blood. We understand what pain feels like. 135 years of war against both sets of colonizers caused our ancestors great pain. Pain we feel in this time. All of us were hurt in a time of invasion and occupation. All of us were affected. And the tactics of the colonizers were designed to attack the mind, the heart, and separate brother from brother and sister from sister, to keep us weak. We cannot keep living this way. We cannot hold on to hatred. It's time to let go of deep psychological pain. We cannot let this disruption in our rich history hold us back forever. The ancestors had called for peace. The people have called for peace. The people have called for peace. My heart yearns for peace. People of Jamaica, I'm tired of us being divided, as we cannot get the justice and freedom that we're rightfully owed while confined in our hatred. People of Jamaica, I love you. The Maroons love you. We are relatives and we are with you. We will not allow mistakes of the past to blight our potential for growth. People of Jamaica, let us put the past behind us. People of Jamaica, our ancestors made peace with the British. Now I ask that we make peace in sight of the Creator forever. People of Jamaica, the Maroon Relatives love you.